Mazda's new EVs, the EZ-6 electric sedan and the Arata SUV, were recently unveiled at the Beijing Auto Show. These EVs are what the brand is currently missing in the US market. Mazda's first attempt at introducing an EV in the US, the MX-30, faced challenges and was eventually discontinued after only 66 models were sold last year. This left Mazda without any all-electric vehicles in the US market. The EZ-6 electric sedan, set to launch by the end of 2025, is designed to replace the Mazda 6. It boasts a unique combination of Mazda's design language and signature drive performance, with Changan's advanced EV and smart technology. The EZ-6 features a 50/50 weight distribution, intelligent parking tech, voice control, and is available in both pure electric and plug-in hybrid versions. The PHEV version is expected to achieve over 621 miles, 1,000 kilometers of driving range. The Arata electric SUV, scheduled for mass production by the end of 2025, features a soulful plus futuristic X-modern design theme and is tailored for the Chinese market. Now the question remains, would you consider Mazda's new EZ-6 or Arata electric SUV? Share your thoughts in the comments below.